I'll show you how to find the tasks in your work that AI can do for you, and where AI is not really useful, and how I got the personalized guide based on the newest AI tools aligned to my tasks and pain points, with infographics, prompts, and artifacts I can put to work right away. I work in HR. Half my week is reading 50 resumes one by one, asking the same people to sign the same forms, writing the same LinkedIn message again and again. I really want AI to help me with this. So to get my own guide, I just tell it what I do every day. The boring parts too. I also select my tools: Workday, Unschooler for corporate learning, Slack, and Excel. Unschooler finds my tasks and shows how other people already do the same work with AI. This data comes from Anthropic's economic index, based on real conversations in Claude. I'll add one more: messaging candidates on LinkedIn. Then I click Generate, and here is what I get. About 10 hours saved every week. That's more than one full working day. 2 big tasks where AI does most of the work, with new tools I didn't know about. I also see my workflow before and after. Before, I was looking for candidates and writing every message myself. Now I just review scripts already written by AI for any trigger. For all of these tasks, I can get a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. It's built from real documents and real examples, with visuals, prompts, and other things made just for my work. Everyone's week is a little different, so another HR person gets a completely different guide.
Find out what AI can do for you for free, then subscribe for the full guide.